Hi guys, so I just got this IKEA pot, and the whole reason why I got this pot because it's a self-watering pot. So it's called the IKEA PS Fejö, I'm not sure what. And then it comes in this like little tray thing, and it also comes in a box. So in the box it has 3 things inside. No, actually it's 4 things. So it comes in this thing, which is the floater, and I'm not sure how to put it on. Let's just see the manual first. Okay, so the first thing that the manual says is place base plant in the pot, insert the float and the filling tube in the hole. So we have all these things, and you just need to connect this together. Now this part will be at the bottom part of this tube. So you just have to insert this inside this tiny little hole from below. Let me just put it. Alright. So it will be like this. So if the water is filled up, it will float up. And as the water goes down, it will go down, so you know how much water there is inside the pot. Now I'm just gonna put it inside the little hole here, and we're just gonna place it right there. And all we have to do now is put the soil in. So I'm just using this Grow Made Easy Mix that I got from Mr. DIY. This is my favorite soil to use. And I'm just gonna pour everything inside. I'm just filling it up half, and then I'll also be putting in some Epsom salt that I got at Caring Pharmacy. So this magnesium is really good for the plant. Since I'm planting a calamansi plant, and I'm just gonna put some salt inside just to give them that nutrient that they want. I'm just putting it by here and just mix it inside. And what I'm going to do is also put in some fertilizer because the plant is looking a bit dead from the nursery. And I'm just going to pour a little bit inside. Alright, so I'm going to put in the plant now before putting more soil. So this is the plant, and I'm just gonna put it inside. Make a little hole in the middle. Put it inside. Alright, let's just put it around. I have not enough soil. The roots should always be covered because the roots don't like the sun. So we need to always cover it. Okay. So let's just dig around here first, and I'm gonna put like a little bit more fertilizer. I'm just gonna cover it. So when you water the plants, the fertilizer will, the water will kind of bring the nutrients down. So the plants will get a lot of the nutrients from the roots, and it will thank you for it by giving you a lot of fruits. Okay, I'm also gonna put some fruits in here. Alright, so let me just take some water and I'll fill this one in. And then we just water the plant, soak it up. It's been in the post for so long. And that's about it. So I will keep you updated on the growth of this plant in the next few months, so stay tuned. Bye! Thank you for watching!